Every day, around the world, societies continue to suffer the devastating consequences of war, violence, and the grip of abusive regimes. Too often, the most serious crimes like genocide, torture, and sexual violence are ignored, fueling cycles of impunity and instability. But thanks to a global network of highly specialized experts, Justice Rapid Response is helping give the international community hope that real justice is within reach.
Justice Rapid Response is providing expertise to investigate the worst crimes known to humanity. We do it with the help of a roster of approximately 700 experts from all over the world, from Global South and Global North.
Our roster represents the full range of legal and criminal justice expertise needed to help bring accountability for human rights abuses. These experts collectively speak over 100 languages and are comprised of over 50% women. Over the past 10 years, we have deployed expertise to support the United Nations, the International Criminal Court, national institutions, and other accountability mechanisms.
In this past year, Justice Rapid Response has worked in some of the most violent conflicts in the world.
In Syria's brutal armed conflict, hundreds of thousands of people have been killed and millions continue to suffer. In addition to crimes of torture, killings of civilians, and attacks on hospitals, Syrians have been victims to extensive sexual and gender-based violence. Our experts helped uncover these patterns, including through conducting interviews with victims.
It helps also to be a policewoman because we have the investigation experience and to know how to investigate, how to ask the right questions, which questions you should not ask.
When I met Rabia, she was really sensitive, really respectful, and she really have this face of really she's with me, and it's important somehow to feel some support, to get some support.
In the Gambia, our experts helped investigate killings and torture that occurred under former President Yahya Jammeh. In one high-profile case, we sent a forensic team to identify remains and determine the cause of the victim's death. Their work has provided crucial evidence to national authorities as they prosecute the alleged perpetrators.
Unfortunately, we could not get any positive identification until the intervention of Justice Rapid Response, and that proved to be the game changer.
About the most important impact of the involvement of JRR in the Gambia is its reassurance to the general public, the Gambian people, that justice in fact is done. And when justice is done, it brings healing.
One of the most complex situations we are currently working with is the atrocities targeting the Rohingya from Myanmar.
Experts from Justice Rapid Response are helping UN investigation teams document and preserve evidence of serious crimes. These findings are helping the international community determine how to address the crisis.
Part of the solution is justice, ensuring that those who are responsible are brought to justice and held accountable for their actions.
Justice is the basis of democracy, it's the basis of good governance, it's the basis of a well-functioning society, which is something that we wish upon all citizens in the world.
Justice Rapid Response experts have investigated serious crimes all over the world. By identifying and deploying expertise to where it's needed most, Justice Rapid Response and our partners are raising the standards of investigations everywhere.
No matter how serious the crimes or how powerful the perpetrators, we at Justice Rapid Response are committed to ensure that justice will be done.